Now we're going to play the mystery sound game. Are you ready? Very good. So first we're going to listen to the mystery sound and then we're going to guess what makes that sound. Ready? Very good. So let's go. Now you have to listen, okay? Listen. What is that? Listen, listen. What is that? Do you know? Very good. Do you want to see? Are you ready? Let's see, let's see. It was a train. Very good. It was a train. Did you guess? Very good. So that's the sound of the train moving, okay? It was a train. Look at the train. Very, very good. Okay, let's see one more. Now we have two sounds to listen to, okay? So, listen. What is that? What is that? Let's listen to the other sound. What is that? A horn. And where do we listen to a horn? Are you ready? Let's see if you guess. It was a car. Look at it. It was a car. Did you know? Very good. That's the sound of a car. Excellent. Now let's listen to the last sound, okay? Let's see, let's see. Ready? Prepare your ears and listen. This is a tough one, okay? Esta es muy difícil. You have to pay attention, okay? Because it's very difficult. One more time. La voy a poner una vez más para que escuchen porque esta es muy difícil, okay? Listen. What is it? Do you know? What is it? Come on. Are you ready to see? It's a bicycle. Very good. It was a bicycle. Do you ride a bicycle? Very good. You did great.